Here's how to make over 100 ad creatives in just minutes by using artificial intelligence. First things first, we're gonna head over to Adcreative.ai. Now we're gonna create a brand. We need to fill out a few details, such as the brand name, brand logo, colors, and a description. Underneath, there's an advanced setup where you can connect to your ad accounts and choose a font. After our brand is made, we're gonna create a project. Step 1 is choosing a format. We'll select the size based on what platform we wanna advertise on. Now we're gonna start filling in our content. You can fill in your own copy here, or you can press this text AI button to do it for you. Lastly, we're gonna import an image, or we can use their stock image database. Once that's in there, we can frame it properly and then create the post. Now all of our creatives are being generated. All right, and here's all of our ad creatives. And if you look right here, it's even sorted by what AI thinks will work the best. And that's it. If you want to make AI generated creatives for your brand, check out Adcreative.ai.